Hello sweetest beauties, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are using fenugreek and hibiscus flower. Fenugreek seeds are rich in folic acid, vitamin A, vitamin K and vitamin C. It also contains minerals like potassium, calcium and iron, and it also works as a natural hair conditioner. Hibiscus flower is one of the most popular herbs used for hair growth. It is used to stimulate hair regrowth from dormant follicles and bad patches. It helps thicken your hair and add volume. It helps treat issues of the scalp such as itchiness and dandruff, and it also helps to reduce hair loss. To prepare this fenugreek and hibiscus spray, first add 2 cups of water in a pot. Add a cup or half cup of fenugreek into the water. Close the pot and allow the water to boil up to 10 minutes. After the fenugreek has boiled for 10 minutes, add a teaspoon of hibiscus flower into the water. Then close it back to boil for more 5 minutes, which make it a total of 15 minutes. Then when it has boiled up to 15 minutes, take down the heat and allow the water to cool so that you can be able to turn it into your container for hair use. Fenugreek also soaks water if you leave it for too long. So if you notice that the water in your pot is not enough for what you want to use it for, or will not be enough for your hairspray, you can add more water to it. After adding the water into your spray bottle, you can add any essential oil of your choice and also store it in your refrigerator to be able to use it for a longer period of time, like at least 7 days. You can also add aloe vera to it. It can be fresh aloe vera or aloe vera juice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you like this video, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. And to my new subscribers, I see you all. Thank you so much for joining the family. To my return subscribers, thank you so much for always being here for me. God bless you all. See you on my next video. Bye.